Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming your iPhone supports eSIM and updating iOS. This prevents activation errors. Next, make sure you have the carrier QR code, activation code, or the carrier app already available. Connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network and ensure battery is above 20% so the process won't be interrupted. Once done, open Settings and tap Cellular. Then choose Add Cellular Plan to start scanning the QR code, or you scan the carrier QR code and immediately follow on-screen prompts to add the plan. If the QR fails, choose Enter Details manually and input SMDP plus address and activation code. Name the eSIM for easy identification, then set cellular data and voice priorities so your iPhone knows when to use each line. Make sure to toggle line labels and enable Allow Cellular Data Switching if needed. Once configured, the plan will attempt activation and may require a short restart to register on the network. You finish by confirming the eSIM shows active in Settings Cellular and testing a call and mobile data to verify service. If you see no service, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds to force a network reconnect. Make sure the eSIM is set as the default for data if needed. If problems persist, reset network settings or contact your carrier with your AMA/MAID and the eSIM activation code so they can complete provisioning on their side.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.